Hop aboard our catamaran and welcome to Roadies Roam the World as we go south of the border to Cancun, Mexico. Our home this week is an all-inclusive oasis surrounded by turquoise waters and a mangrove where we hope to find their elusive crocodiles. From there, we sail the Caribbean to snorkel in crystal clear seas and uncover the mesmerizing sculptures of the Cancun Underwater Museum. Then, the winds take us for a high-speed golf cart tour through the colorful and busy streets of Isla Mujeres. Grab your mask, fins, and sunscreen and come along with us as roadies roam the world.
So here we are, just south of Cancun in Riviera Maya. We are just outside our resort, the Royalton Riviera Splash. A little bit windy. So you can see here at the Royalton Riviera Splash, it is a pretty sprawling complex. We are actually in that room right on the end there, just behind the trees, right on the end. Got this nice ocean view from our room. Water isn't the prettiest that I've ever seen in the Caribbean or in Mexico, but it's not too bad. Nice and blue further you get out there. But it's not too bad.
Remember to like and subscribe to get notified about our latest content.
Oh, you know what? They are. That's a vulture.
Is it a vulture?
Look at all of them.
After spending some time watching what we believe are magnificent farragut birds and then dinner, I got a little time to do some night photography and get prepared for a beautiful sun-filled day tomorrow.
Pennsylvania. Blah, blah. And as you can see, it's a little rainy right now as the sun begins to rise over the Caribbean Sea at Riviera Maya.
Everything's alive.
Well, it did stop raining and turned into a gorgeous morning. We took a nice walk on the beach and got the opportunity to look for the local crocodiles in the mangroves, but they eluded us, which is probably a good thing.
Say hi, familia.
Hello, familia! Hola, familia!
After a 15-minute trip from the docks, about 40 of us jumped into the beautiful Caribbean Sea for a little snorkeling. The waters are crystal clear, and while there was not a ton of coral, it was still a tranquil and relaxing swim. In an effort to help restore natural coral in the area, in 2009, approximately 500 sculptures were placed on the sea floor to form the Cancun Underwater Museum. In addition to this set of large hands, the museum includes hundreds of human figures, cars, and even a small house.
Back on the catamaran, we headed over to Isla Mujeres, the island of women, for some lunch, shopping, and a little beach time. We heard there were some 19th century ruins at the south end of the island, so we decided to rent golf carts to check them out, and we had a little bit of fun with each other along the way.
You're such a child!
Yes, he is. Yes, he's recording.
I'm glad I got that!
While the golf carts have a little speed, they are limited, and you better be on the lookout for cars, motorcycles, and buses coming from all directions. We started having issues with one of the golf carts, so we decided to stop at a local bar and eatery for some drinks and salsa. Well, we never made it to the ruins, so we headed back north to the dock. But it gave us the opportunity for some beach and snorkel time. Traffic was quite a bit worse on the way back.
After a week in the sun, we say goodbye to Mexico. We had a fantastic time and can't wait to meet you again.
See you next time on Roadies Roam the World.